Today, we're taking a first look at Motorola's boldest move ever, the Motorola Signature. This isn't just another Android phone. This is Motorola saying, we're back at the top. The first thing you notice is the design. This phone feels luxurious. Premium materials, ultra-thin edges, and a clean, minimalist look that feels straight out of a high-end fashion brand. It's the kind of phone you put on a table and people ask, "What phone is that?" Up front, you get a massive 6.8-inch AMOLED display with a 165 Hz refresh rate. Yes, smoother than most flagship phones on the market. Whether you're scrolling TikTok, watching YouTube, or gaming, everything feels insanely fluid. Under the hood, this thing is a beast. The Snapdragon 8th Gen flagship chipset makes multitasking effortless. No lag, no overheating, just pure speed. This phone doesn't slow down, ever. Now let's talk cameras, because Motorola finally nailed it. A 50-megapixel triple camera system that delivers sharp photos, natural colors, and incredible low-light performance. For content creators, vloggers, and Instagram lovers, this camera is legit. Battery anxiety? Not here. A massive 5200 mAh battery plus 90-watt fast charging. Plug it in for a few minutes and you're back in business. Motorola keeps it clean with near-stock Android. No bloat, no nonsense. Plus, you get smart AI features that actually help instead of getting in your way. And yes, 7 years of Android updates. That's huge. Here's the real question. Why should you care? Because the Motorola Signature gives you flagship power, premium design, and long-term support without locking you into one ecosystem. If you're tired of overpriced upgrades, this phone makes a lot of sense. The Motorola Signature isn't trying to copy anyone. It's confident, it's powerful, and it feels like Motorola finally remembered who they are. This might be the best Motorola phone ever made. So, what do you think? Would you choose the Motorola Signature over an iPhone or Galaxy? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe for more real tech reviews. I'll see you in the next one.